So dear students, in this lecture we are going to see some basics of the mathematics. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the various rules of addition and subtraction. See, if there is an example like this, 5 minus 5, we can easily write the answer as 0. But we don't know this 5 is having a sign plus and this is having a sign minus. So when the two numbers have opposite signs, then there will be subtraction. So the rule number 1 is, when two numbers have different signs, then the numbers will be subtracted and sign of the greater number is given to the answer. Now while solving the examples in your mathematics, 10th mathematics, many times you have to use this particular rule. When two numbers have different signs, then the numbers will be subtracted and sign of the greater number. Now let us say 5 minus 7 is equal to. Now these two numbers have opposite signs. 5 is having plus sign and 7 is having minus sign. So there will be subtraction. So let us subtract the smaller number from the greater number. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, and second is sign of the greater number should be given to the answer. So 7 is our greater number, answer is minus 2. Let us take one more example, 31 minus 33. Now here 31, the sign is not given, means the sign is plus. Plus 31 minus 33. That means the two numbers, they are having opposite signs, plus and minus. So friends, there will be subtraction and the smaller number is subtracted from the greater number. 33 minus 31 is 2 and sign of the greater number should be given to the answer. So minus 2. So this is the rule number 1 which you should remember before you start your studies for mathematics. Now the rule number 2. If suppose two numbers have same sign, then what happens? If the two numbers have same or similar signs, let us take the example of 7 plus 5. Now these two numbers have same sign, plus 7 and plus 5. So what will be the answer? 7 plus 5 means 12. So whenever the numbers have same sign, then there will be addition. Now which sign should be given to the answer? The answer is that when two numbers have same sign, then there will be addition and same sign should be given to the answer. Okay, so I will put plus as this. Let us take another example. If suppose the question is like this, minus 7 minus 5. Now these two numbers have the similar signs or same signs, so we will add them. 7 plus 5 means 12 and same sign the numbers are having, it should be given to the answer. Now this is the rule number 2. Now let us see the rule for multiplication, that is rule 3. Now many times in 10th mathematics we come across the multiplication of opposite numbers. Now here minus 5 into 3. This 5 is having minus sign and 3 is having plus sign. So these two numbers have the opposite signs. So what is rule number 3? When two numbers are having opposite signs, then multiplication of two numbers will be negative. अब मल्टीप्लिकेशन में डायरेक्ट रूल है कि अगर दोनों का साइन अपोजिट है तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन विल बी नेगेटिव. सो -15. We can take another example. 3 into -7 means 7 into 3 is 21 and sign is negative. So in multiplication we can directly write, if the signs are opposite, your answer is negative. Now let us see what will be the multiplication of the numbers having similar signs. Now when the two numbers are having same signs, then the multiplication of two numbers will be positive. Now let us say -5 into -3. It is 15 and the answer is +15. So in multiplication, when two numbers are having the same signs, then the answer has the sign as positive sign. Now the rule number 4, it is regarding the division. Now many times in the mathematics you come across the division like this. Let us take -5/3 or -9/3. Now as far as division is concerned, numerator and denominator is there. -9 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. So -9 upon 3 means -3. So in division, if two numbers have different signs, then division of two numbers is negative. So let us say 3 upon -1 means -3. If I write -39 upon 13, then -3. Now here 13 is having plus sign, 3 is having plus sign. So these two numbers have the opposite sign. So division of these two numbers having opposite sign is negative. Okay. Now let us see what will be the division of two numbers having same sign. -5 and -3. So your rule number 5 is there. If two numbers have similar signs or same signs, then division of these two numbers is always positive. Division of numbers is always positive. So I can write -5/3 is equal to 5/3, or -12 by -3 means 4/1, which is equal to 4. So every time when you divide the two numbers having similar signs, the division is positive.